So I am up this morning and I'm at the Circle K gas station doing a little gas station therapy, and I was just thinking about how the system would use us as seasoning. You know what I mean? We black, we like pepper to certain things, you know. The truth of the reality of the matter anyway is they tend to add us to their business themes as seasoning, as salt. You know, nobody like to eat meat with no seasoning in it, you know. So that's what it seems like they use us for, the black people, the African Americans, the black natives. We are so underrated, underestimated, stepped on, belittled. The list could go on and on. And sometimes I just literally get up early, man, and think about where I want my life to be. And one thing that I realize is that growing is painful. Becoming a man is painful because you got to go through things. Change is painful. But you know what's painful in all of those things? Is staying in a situation when you know it's not meant for you. That's painful. You know, sometimes we get caught up in trying to make something work that's not meant to work. You know, we'll do everything we can to put these shoes on, knowing when we put these shoes on and we walk around, we won't have corns on our feet. That's evidence them shoes was too damn small. It's time to move around. You see what I'm saying? But we tend to want to hold on to that favorite shoe, man. Sometimes, you know, just because you're from somewhere doesn't mean that's where you're going to blow at. You might have to leave, make some things happen, then come back and shine where you're from. But getting started, man, sometimes you can outgrow a situation because those around you don't really see the value that you have. And honestly, you don't fully understand the value that you have. You just know that you're not like them. You know, you just don't want the same thing that everybody else wants. You want something different out of life. And most people don't understand it because their desires is not as great as yours, or they're not willing to make a sacrifice like you do. But that's fine, man. You know, I think the big step of it, or the most important thing to take from this, is what you're going to do when you know that those shoes are too small, when you know that the situation isn't working for you, man. It's not working. Switch it up. They said if it's not broke, don't fix it. But if it's broke, you need to do something about it because you're not getting anywhere. So think about that. Keep working on yourself and figure out what you need to do to build your independence. HogOn.